Okay, today I'm gonna change the propellers for the DJI Mavic Mini. As you can see right here, these are the DJI uh, original propellers, but these ones I got these ones from eBay like a couple days ago. I mean, these are half price of the DJI. They don't have the DJI right here. These are the originals. So I got them today, right? Yeah, these are the original ones. Yeah, right here. Okay, I'm gonna replace them because with the updates, I've been having problems. It's saying that to replace the blades, uh, it's been giving me errors. So I'm gonna change these ones and see if that's gonna fix the problem. Cause anyway, it's not flying too far away either. At 300 meters, Mini is losing signal. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and replace this one right here. Yeah. I bought these ones from eBay trying to save some money. They do the job, but with the new updates, they don't. They are in. I mean, they keep giving you errors. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the original ones. Yeah. All right. I'm gonna put them right here. Let me see. These are the two I don't need. Okay, I'm gonna get this one. I'm gonna get the other one. Yeah, I'm gonna get the screws. I got one right here. Two. Okay, I'm gonna replace them real quick. Yeah. That little tiny screw, sometimes it's a pain to put them right here. Yeah, sometimes it's a little pain, but it's all right. Put them right here real quick. And press it. All right. There you go. A little bit more, just in case. Okay. We're gonna do the next one. The originals. I just got them like a little bit expensive too. Like taxes and shipping and everything, like $20. $20 just for 8 blades. Okay, they should be good now. Okay, yeah, that's how you replace your new blades. All right. Okay, thanks for watching.